Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Adirondack chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Polywood Modern Adirondack Chair. For people with an urban outdoor space or anyone who likes modern decor, this sleek Adirondack chair is the best of style, comfort, and durability. This chair was left uncovered through snow, sleet, and -30-degree temperatures, and after 6 months, it looks the same as it did to begin with. In our testing for stability, in which we tossed 2 15-pound medicine balls on the chair and attempted to push it back with medium force, the chair did not rock back or sustain any damage, yet another testament to its durability. The polywood construction is in large part to thank for the durability of this chair. The material features UV inhibitors and stabilizers to protect from fading and is designed to stand up to all 4 seasons without chipping, peeling, cracking, splintering, or rotting. We found it easy to clean up the marshmallow and barbecue sauce stains with a little soap and water. And when it came time to hose the chair down, the water beat it up and easily wiped away with a towel, and we were able to sit on the chair immediately without getting wet. Plus, the smooth polywood lumber felt nice on the skin and didn't get overly hot when wearing shorts. And we found the angle of the chair to offer lumbar support and keep us propped at a comfortable position. But given its heft, it's not the most portable. It doesn't feature any adjustments or extras, such as cup holders, but if you're looking for a weather-resistant, no-frills Adirondack chair that offers plenty of support, this chair fits the bill. It's even available in over a dozen colors, from neutrals to brights. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Christopher Knight Home Hanlee Acacia Wood Folding Adirondack Chair. If you're in the market for a real wood chair but don't want to break the bank on teak, Acacia wood is a great affordable alternative. We love the high-end look of this chair, which is available in a natural wood stain as well as several colors, especially given the affordable price point. We set this chair up in a spot that receives lots of direct sunlight, which managed to bleach the cushions on our existing patio furniture, yet this Adirondack chair has held up to 6 months of use without any fading or other damage. Additionally, the seat on this chair isn't quite as deep as that of others we tested, making it easier to keep your feet firmly planted on the group. A plus for anyone who struggles to get in and out of chairs. Although it's not adjustable, the Hanlee Adirondack chair is foldable, so you can tuck it away during the off-season or when inclement weather is expected. However, we'd still recommend finding a permanent spot for it to live most of the time, as it's fairly heavy and clunky to carry when folded. The smooth, finished wood feels nice on bare skin, no splinters here, and the finish does a good job at repelling water. The barbecue sauce and marshmallows came up very easily without leaving behind any sign, too. Plus, this lightweight chair even stood its ground against the medicine ball toss. Where this chair performed worst was in the setup. You'll definitely benefit from having 2 people when building this chair. At number 3, we have the Yefu Plastic Adirondack Chair. Made from high-impact polystyrene, this plastic Adirondack chair is embossed with a wood-like texture and even comes in a teak color to give the illusion of real wood. We found it easy to assemble, although having a buddy could be helpful for handling the heavier pieces. The back adjusts slightly so you can sit up straighter or recline back further, and the seat comes positioned at a 103-degree angle, creating a deeper chair that is meant to relieve spinal pressure. However, it can be difficult to get in and out of, particularly for those with mobility issues. The chair did sustain some markings when hit with the medicine ball, although it did not show further wear or tear after 6 months of use, including in -36-degree weather. The food stains came up with ease and left no residue behind, and the water from the hose was easy to wipe up. And surprisingly, chair is tied with the ECCB Outdoor Outer Banks Oversized Folding Adirondack Chair for the highest weight capacity of all those on our list, excluding bench-style Adirondack chairs, at 350 pounds. At number 2, we have the ECCB Outdoor Outer Banks Deluxe Oversized Poly Lumber Folding Adirondack Chair. The ECCB Outdoor Outer Banks Folding Adirondack Chair has a hefty build that gives the impression of long-term durability. And after 6 months, it looks the same as when we first got it, although the screws do require periodic tightening. But what's more is we found it extremely comfortable, thanks to its curved back and waterfall front slats. The poly lumber has a smooth, comfortable surface and is available in over 20 colors, ranging from mahogany to lime green. And it's the only chair on our list that comes with a cup holder, actually, 2 fold-out drink holders, one for cups and one for stemmed wine glasses that doubles as a cell phone holder. Although this chair doesn't come with any adjustments, it is a folding chair. But given it's the heaviest of all the chairs on our list, it can be a bit awkward to carry, a trade-off of its solid build. And we found that it doesn't stay folded once you place it in storage, which can be frustrating if you're dealing with limited storage space in a garage or shed. Considering it's constructed with poly lumber, it was no surprise that the stains lifted with ease and the water beaded on the surface as opposed to soaking into the chair. In short, we think this chair is made to last many seasons, and its fun color varieties and drink holders are just the icing on top. And finally at number 1, we have the slatted wood Adirondack rocking chair. This chair combines the soothing motion of a classic rocking chair with the reclined seat and wide arm rests of an Adirondack chair. Made from acacia wood with a UV-protected finish, this world market chair has proven to be surprisingly durable over 6 months of use, withstanding direct sunlight, rain, and even snow without fading or damage. It did receive some scuff marks after we hit it with the medicine ball, which leads us to believe that it's best left covered or stored indoors during inclement weather, such as hail or sleet, and the manufacturer recommends this as well. The smooth wood has a charming, rustic look, and comes in natural wood, gray, and white finishes. Barbecue sauce was wiped away easily with a damp cloth, but some soaking was required to completely remove the roasted marshmallow residue. Because of the deep seats on this chair, some, but not all, testers around 5 feet 5 inches and under found it to require a bit of effort to get the chair rocking. Note that this chair is not adjustable or foldable, nor does it come with any cup holders or extra features beyond rocking. The chair weighs just over 28 pounds, which is pretty middle of the road for an Adirondack, so carrying it is doable, but not super easy given that it doesn't fold. But it is below the median price of all the chairs we tested, making it a great investment that, with proper care, will hold up to years of rocking on the porch. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.